New information from Call 6 Investigates tonight into a story we first brought you here last night at 11. A long-standing fraternity at IU suspended from campus. Call 6 Investigates' Paris Lubell has more on the university claims that led to the suspension.
For the 2012 to 2013 school year, Phi Kappa Psi was on the probation list for alcohol violations until December 31st of 2013. Then, just 30 days after the suspension ended, another violation, this time again for alcohol, and that probation was extended for another year, ending on December 31st of 2014. Then in May of this year, the fraternity was given another suspension, this time for hazing, and also put on social probation. That's where members were restricted from participating in parties or any other social events with other student organizations on or off of campus. Then on November 12th, IU police say they responded to Phi Kappa Psi along with the fire department for a general fire alarm. Police say people inside weren't evacuating and they helped the fire department clear the home. When police went inside, they didn't find a fire, but they did find marijuana throughout the home. Paris Lubell, RTV 6.
IU police say that they didn't arrest anyone when they found the marijuana, but they did turn that case over to the dean of students. The university and the fraternity's national headquarters is staying tight-lipped right now about what led to that full 2-year suspension.